Hello everyone, I am Professor G.B. Shenge, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, College of Agriculture, Baramati. In last lecture, we learned about the study of package of practices for growing soybean crop. Now see the exercise number 6 and exercise number 7. Title of that exercise is Study of Farm Inventories and Farm Records and Preparation of Calendar of Operation for Kharif soybean crop. Okay, first see the exercise number 6. Title of that exercise is Study of Farm Inventories and Farm Records. Objectives of this exercise is to know the physical property of farm business and its value, and to know the types of farm records and accounts adopted for farm business. The farm inventories and farm records is an important part of the farm record system. The inventory book primarily it tracks the assets with a life of more than 1 year, like land records, building records, other real estate records, machinery and equipment records. Okay, first see the what is meant by farm inventories and farm records. Definition of farm inventory is it is a use of all physical property of a business along with their values at a specified date, or it is a record of all the properties that the farmers own at a particular date of the year, that is called as farm inventories, like land records, building records, etc. It is the complete list of farmer assets. It is the first step in farm accounting. Farm inventory is the first step in the farm accounting. Second, farm records, or it is also called as farm bookkeeping records. Definition: it is known as a system of records written to furnish history of the business transaction with a special reference to its financial side. Or farm records are the past history of the farm business which gives the information about the past performance, that is called as farm records. Farm record means it is the past history of farm business like dairy, fishery, poultry, etc., which gives the information about the past performance of that farm business, that is called as farm record. Okay, then see the characteristics of good farm record or the benefits of farm records. Okay, see one by one the benefits or importance of farm records. First, it shows profit or loss in farm business. The farm record it clearly shows the business is profitable to the farmers or not profitable to the farmers. Okay, then they shows the yield of different crops and livestock. Due to the farm records, it shows the yield of different crops, like yield of sugarcane, yield of jawar, bajra, which are grown in previous season. Or it also shows the yield of livestock, milk yield or production of milk by cows, buffalo, etc. Okay, then it indicates the date of various farm operations. It also indicates the dates of various farm operations which are carried in different stage of the plant, like weeding, hoeing, threshing, harvesting, fertilizer application. These are the different farm operations. Okay, and in the farm records you have to maintain the date of that operations. They help to calculate the cost of cultivation of different crops and enterprises. Farm records it helps to calculate the cost of cultivation of crop or different enterprises, which indicate the that crop or that enterprise is profitable to the farmers. Okay, by calculating the BC ratio, benefit cost ratio, it indicates that crop is profitable or not profitable to the farmers. They also help to locate the weak point in the farming and also helps in research work. It also helps to locate the weak points. For example, for the cultivation of jawar crop, Some weak points also indicate in the farm records, and which is helpful to the, or which helps in research work or researchers. Okay, these are the important benefits of farm records. Then see the types of farm records. There are three major types of farm record. First is physical farm record, second one is financial farm records, and third one is supplementary farm record. First is the physical farm records. In that, first, in physical farm record, it includes the records like farm, soil and contour map, charts on physical efficiency of land, land utilization records, crop production and disposal record, livestock production and disposal record, labor record and daily work record, machinery use record, feed record, store record and poultry record. These are the physical farm record. Second one is financial records. In that, first, farm inventory, farm cash account and classified farm cash account and annual farm business analysis record. These are the financial records. And third one is, that is supplementary financial records. In that, first, capital asset sale register, cash sale register, credit sale register, wages register, fund or repayment register, farm expenses register and non-farm income record. These are the three types or parts of the farm record. First is physical farm record, second one is financial farm records, and third one is supplementary farm record. These are the different parts or types of farm record. Okay. Then see the exercise number 7. Name of the exercise is preparation of calendar of operation for Kharif soybean crop. Okay. See the objectives of this exercise is to study the various operations required for soybean crop, to know the input required for the growing of soybean crop, to know the cost required for various operations from preparatory tillage to the harvesting. Okay, these are the different objectives of this exercise. Then see the definition of calendar of operation. Calendar of operation means it is a statement of work schedule indicating the type of operation to be carried out in all farm crops during a specific or specified period, that is called as calendar of operation. In simple words, it is a tabular information indicating type of work to be done on each crop during its life cycle, that is called as calendar of operation. Okay, in that operation, all the practices which are carrying from preparatory tillage to the harvesting of crop, all the operations are maintained in the calendar of operation. Okay, then see the methods or steps of preparation of calendar of operation. There are 7 major steps or methods of the preparation of calendar of operation. First, see the first step, that is prepare a list of crops to be grown on the farm. First, you have to prepare the list of crops to be grown on your farm, like cash crops, pulse crops, cereal crops, fodder crops, etc. You have to prepare the list of crops. Then second, list out chronologically all operations separately for each crop. After preparing the list of crops, you have to prepare the list of all the operations which are carried in the particular crop from sowing to harvesting. Okay, like preparatory tillage, ploughing, harrowing, cloud crushing, sowing, soil treatment, etc. Okay, these are the different operations. Then third, fix up the time limit for each operation. Then fix up the time required for each operation. For example, for weeding crop, okay, you have to fix up the time for required for the weeding operation, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, etc. Okay, then fix up the priority of operations crop wise. First, you have to fix up the time. After that you have to fix up the priority of operations or necessary operations required for different crops. Okay, then estimate the manual and bullock power required. After that you have to calculate the manual labor or bullock power required for carrying the operations. Okay, for plowing, harrowing, cloud crushing required, you have to calculate the bullock pair required for carrying these operations, or for weeding, spraying, hoeing, etc. You have to calculate the how many labors are required for carrying these operations. Okay. After that, all operations in chronology starting from preparatory tillage to threshing and winnowing for all crops should be included. In each crop, from the preparatory tillage to the winnowing, you have to include all the operations in the calendar of operation. Okay, and after that it should be in such a way that all operations scattered throughout the year and there should not be slack season. Okay, these are the major steps for the preparation of calendar of operations. Okay, this is the exercise number 7. Title of this exercise is preparation of calendar of operation for kharif soybean crop. Definition and steps for the preparation of calendar of operation. Okay, thank you.